Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we'll replace our front dash speakers on our Toyota RAV4. Yeah, I'm supposed to replace my headlights, or no, not my headlights, my fog lights tonight, but as you can see, it's still bright. It's almost like, what, 8 o'clock in the evening, and still, the sun's still out. So yeah, so let's work on the speaker first. All right. Hey, make sure you watch the whole video because I'll give you the instructions on how to win this set of speakers for yourselves. All right. Okay, so we're going with the JBL Club 322F. Um, I think this one replaces the Club 3 3220. I'm not sure. But yeah, so we're gonna go with this one. Got this from parchfield.com, and they include the harness that we need for the speakers, so that we don't need to splice anything. So again, with this JBL, it should sound better. This one are 75 watts peak, 25 watts RMS. So these are, yep, Harman, and they should fit our RAV4. They should fit some Tacoma or Forerunner Highlander. I think they will fit also. So yeah, so this one, let's check or listen to the factory radio first. Okay, so we will play well, we're on Spotify right now, so I'll be playing holographic Dreams by Streambeats. Yep, I use Streambeats on all of my music. So let's try this and let's play. Now what's our volume? Okay, I'll set the volume to 15, and I'm using my lav mic right now, and I'll shut up now. Okay, so we'll stop there and we'll come back later. Alright, so we're gonna install the one over there. Alright. Okay, so now what's inside the box, right? So we have some padding, some foam. So we got some foam, we got some decals, so we got some 2 stickers, which are too big really. But these are the speakers. So we have our, what's holding it? But yeah, this is a speaker. So let's compare it. Okay, so we're gonna use our pry tool in here, our broken pry tool. All right, so I'm gonna try to do this from the outside. There you go. Wow, that's easy. Huh? Yeah, that's easy. Oh, I need to pry it on the other side. Hold on. Yep, very easy. So pry it here and on the other side, and then just pull it. And there you go, very easy. And as you can see, speakers down there. It looks crap really. Let me show you from the outside. Yeah, so that's the factory speakers. So we're just gonna remove these 2 bolts in here, then just pull it out, and I'll show you the rest. Okay, so this harness in here, it's a pain to remove it, but yep, so I was able to remove it. It took me multiple tries, but I was able to remove it with the help of my pry tool also. But yep, this is the factory one. It's very light. I don't think there's a magnet on this one, but yeah, this is nothing compared to this one. This is heavy. Okay, so that's the side-by-side of the factory one and the JBL. So this one has a lot of meat on it. Yep, so there's magnet in there. This is heavy. Yep, that's the specs. But yeah, so this is it's really I don't know, there's really no weight onto this one, but this is, see, yeah, this is heavy, definitely heavy. All right, so we're gonna install this one out. So it should be plug and play. We're gonna use the harness, so I'll assemble it here, be right back. Okay, so I'm just gonna set this one up here in the table. I'm gonna put the wire on this one, connect it in there. So what we got here is we got a pair of the harness. So this one plugs into the factory harness, and the other side goes here. So positive, negative. The big one goes here, so you cannot really mess up because there's a bigger plug and a smaller one, which on the speaker there's a big one and a smaller one. All right, so just plug this one out straight up in there. And then we're just gonna put it, wait, yeah, so just wiggle it up. There you go. And then the negative, this side. Just put a little support. There you go. And now let's go into the car and plug it in. Okay, so now I'm just gonna screw this one back on. So I'm using the same screw from the factory. Just put one side and put the one on the other side. And when I remove the screws, they're not really that tightened. So okay, so now let's try and listen with one factory, one JBL. They are better. I can hear it on this side. After I installed the driver side or passenger side, I'll play it again and do a comparison. Alright, I'll just work on the other one. Okay, so we're gonna try now the same song, Holographic Dreams, on the new speakers. So let's play it. Overall, there's improvement. I'm satisfied with this. Alright. Yeah, so very satisfied. Alright, so to join in the giveaway, simply comment down below Forge Garage space and then the model of the speakers that I installed in this video. Alright, peace out. Okay guys, so that wraps it up. I just need to clean the glass because of the smudges I made on the glass. So yep, and basically that's it. Sounds good to me. Definitely an upgrade with those paperweight factory speakers. But yeah, so again, I'm happy. If you like the video, if you like to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description down below. I'll put some Amazon options down below with the same one, or if you want to go to Crutchfield to get the same kit with the harness. All right, so again, thank you for watching.